If you are tired of fixing your credit and not getting the results, it's not because of you, it's the system. Let me explain. See, the system is designed for you to quit and give up. If you think I'm playing crazy, just listen to this.
So all these people who take the time to meticulously document a case that the bill isn't theirs or the bill has been paid, that is never seen by anybody?
It's not seen by anyone who considers it in determining whether or not information will be removed from a credit report.
It's not forwarded on to the person who has the complaint with you?
No, it is never forwarded on. Never forwarded on to the creditor.
We can get a jury verdict for $1 million. That's chump change to some of these bureaus. They would rather pay a verdict in $1 million than to actually go in and change the policies and procedures that they have, because that's much more expensive to them.
I can say this without qualification. The dispute procedures used by the credit reporting agencies, uniformly used, completely fail to comply with the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Courts have found that. The Federal Trade Commission has found that. It's not even a close call.
Ohio Attorney General Mike DeWine agreed.
I think the industry is a mess, and I think the impact it has on real people is just unconscionable.
You think they're breaking the law?
I think they're breaking the law. There is no doubt in my mind they are breaking the law.
I know, it's crazy, huh? But I figured out a way to bypass the system and knock the credit bureaus out to get results just like this. Let me show you. Now, before I share with you the results, there are two things you must do that's going to help you increase your chances of getting the results that I'm about to share with you. All right? So as you can see right here, this person right here got 19 things removed off of this report. Okay? 3 things removed and an overall increase of their score. 2 things removed. And this is just within the last, 30 days, right? 6 things got deleted. Check these results out, all right? 14 things got removed. 1 thing got removed. 6 things got deleted. All right, 9 things got deleted. 10 things got deleted. 7 things got deleted. 10. All right, 5 things. 18 things got removed. All right, 13. 2, 3, 4. Things got removed. Okay, 1, 2. Woo, look at that. 188-point increase. All right, based off of these 2 things I'm going to share with you. Come on now. 38 things got removed off of this person's report. Okay, 10 things got removed. All right, 1 thing got deleted. 6 things got deleted. 16 things got removed. 18 things got removed. 9 things got deleted. 13, 1, 0 things got removed, but there was an increase because we told them something. 30 things got deleted. 2 things got deleted. 1 thing got deleted. 2 things. 6 things got deleted. 28 things got removed off of this person's report. 7 things got deleted. 4 things got deleted. 2 things got deleted. 18 things got deleted. 13 things got deleted. 17 things got deleted. Now, the reason why I was able to get those results is based off of these 2 things, okay? The first thing is based off of hidden laws that most people don't even know about that even exist, right? Based on the Fair Credit Reporting Act. And I'm going to give you the specific laws so you can look them up yourself, because I'm not a lawyer, okay? I want you to read for yourself. 15 U.S.C. 1681 EB. Now, that one is based off of maximum possible accuracy. I'm going to explain later. 15 U.S.C. 1681 I-5. 15 U.S.C. 1681 S-2B. Now, the second reason why we was able to get results is because of this. You can't fix what you can't see, okay? So it's based off of getting access to your hidden credit report. Now, you're probably wondering, where's my hidden credit report? I got you. Okay, go to hiddencreditreport.com. Okay, and then from there you'll click on smart. It'll say smart credit, and then you'll click on reports. Okay, when you log in, it's reports. Okay, at the top, and then you'll click on 3B reports and scores. Follow along with me. Then you're going to click on switch to classic view. See, most people don't even know this exists. Okay, switch to classic view. Then you're going to be a list of all your accounts, and then with all those accounts, you're going to have a lot of information, a lot of data that gives you the ability to remove those accounts off your report. Okay, now as you can see, it's going to be a lot of information. You don't need to figure all this out. All you need to see is TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax reporting the same information, and if it's not, then you can get anything removed off your credit report. Now that you have this information, there are two paths. The first path is taking the information, applying the information, but like I said before, the system is designed for you to give up. The second path is you have the information, but don't implement the information because they're still uncertain. But for me, I want to help both of those people out because I understand that the system is designed for you to quit and you still are uncertain. So I created